Welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, you are also highly welcome. In this channel, we simplify anatomy, and here we also learn anatomy with so much fun. So for this lecture, let's look at the differences between these two questions. The first one is, what is the largest organ in the body versus what is the largest organ of the body? These two questions look similar, but are not exactly the same. So let's take each of these questions one after the other to see what they represent and also provide answers to them. So for the first question, what is the largest organ in the body? It means what is the largest organ located within the body. And the largest organ in the body is the liver. The liver is located in the right upper quadrant of the abdominal space. So if you try to divide the abdomen using this image here into 4 compartments, you see that the right upper quadrant is where the liver is located. And this is what the liver looks like. It is about 1.5 kilogram in weight, and this takes up about 2% of the body weight. The liver is known to perform a number of functions, which include detoxification, also the production of bile, which is used in the emulsification or breakdown of fat. It is also used in the production of some proteins that are needed in the body. There are a number of functions that have been attributed to the liver. We can go and read up on this to keep ourselves updated in this area. Then going to the second question, what is the largest organ of the body? The largest organ of the body is the skin. The skin is seen as the outer covering of the human body. And this is what is seen in this image. The skin is the outer covering of the human body. It is used as a protective barrier against light, against infection, and also other substances. It is also used as a sensory gadget. And that is why the skin is listed as one of the sensory organs in the body. It also helps to prevent loss of water. This is among a number of functions that have been attributed to the skin. We can also go and read up on this to keep ourselves updated. The weight of the skin ranges from between 3 to 10 kilograms in adults, and this takes about 8 to 15% of the body weight. You can see that the weight of the skin is more than the liver. So if we are asked, what is the largest organ of the body? It is the skin. And if a question is posted as what is the largest organ in the body, it is the liver. So we should be able to establish the differences between this question and also be able to provide the answers to them accordingly. Thanks for watching this video. Let's continue to stay glued to this channel.